In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best LPG water heater available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the LPG water heater list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the LPG water heater mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Propane Gas Tankless Hot Water Heater LPG/natural gas. This tankless propane gas water heater provides instant hot water with a compact design and high efficiency. Available in multiple capacities, 8L to 18L, it is ideal for both natural gas and LPG systems. Its tankless operation eliminates the need for water storage, providing hot water on demand while saving energy. The system is equipped with a digital display for easy monitoring of temperature and settings. It also has safety features like overheat protection and a flame failure device, making it a reliable choice for home use. Perfect for domestic use, including bathrooms and kitchens. Number 4, LPG Propane Water Heater 6L Instant with Overheat Dry Burn Protection. This 6L propane water heater offers a safe and efficient solution for providing hot water during camping trips, RV stays, or use in cabins. The heater is equipped with overheat and dry burn protection, ensuring safe operation in any environment. The digital display allows for easy temperature adjustments, while its compact design makes it convenient to carry and install outdoors. It's an ideal water heating solution for outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliability and safety during their adventures. Number 3, 18L Hot Water Heater Propane Gas LPG On-Demand Tankless. This 18L on-demand tankless water heater delivers instant hot water for home or outdoor use. Featuring digital control for easy temperature adjustments, it's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and even outdoor showers. The LPG-powered system ensures energy efficiency and fast heating. Its compact design and high flow rate make it an ideal choice for homeowners looking to save space while still maintaining a powerful hot water supply. Additional features like flame failure protection and overheating safeguards ensure safe operation. Number 2, LPG Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater 6L Outdoor Camping with Shower Head. This 6L tankless propane gas water heater is designed for outdoor use, providing an efficient and portable solution for camping trips, truck showers, or tent baths. It comes with a shower head attachment for easy use, allowing users to enjoy hot water wherever they are. The heater is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and install in various outdoor settings. Safety features include flame failure and dry burn protection, ensuring worry-free operation in any environment. Number 1, VEVOR LPG Water Heater 6L to 18L Stainless Steel Boiler Kit. The VEVOR LPG water heater is available in sizes ranging from 6L to 18L, making it a versatile choice for households, cabins, or RVs. This stainless steel boiler kit is designed for LPG systems and offers reliable, on-demand hot water. With advanced safety features like overheat protection and a flame failure device, it ensures safe and efficient operation. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the compact design makes it easy to install. Perfect for those looking for a high-quality, long-lasting water heater system for their home or outdoor use.